This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Woodmont Realty property video is presented by Momoko Imai. All brick executive home west/hardwood floors throughout at one floor. Granite countertops in kitchen with gathering room, custom cabinets, and crown molding. Tile in all baths and laundry room, covered patio west/ceiling fans, and all bedrooms and living room. Triple Blackman schools. Only small pets are negotiable. For more information, review the details below or contact Momoko Imai at 615-800-0742.